How to log into your QuickBooks account. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your QuickBooks account. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to any of your browser and simply search in for QuickBooks login, and you will be seeing this page. Simply click on it, and once you click on this first option you will be redirected to this interface where you can actually see this option over here. And when you hover your mouse on the sign in button, you will see different options. So simply select the first one, that is QuickBooks Online, and once you select it you will be redirected to this page where you will actually have to enter your email ID or register user ID or phone number which you use to register or create your account on QuickBooks. So once you enter your Gmail or phone number just like this, simply click on sign in button over here and just make sure you have entered your password from over here and click on continue. And just like this you can also save your information over here, and to confirm your identity you can simply send tell it to text a code on your number just like this and wait for some time for you to write your verification code, and you can simply enter your verification code just like this, which you should be receiving on your SMS. So simply click on done button over here and you have to wait for some seconds, and then you will have successfully logged into your registered QuickBooks account. So that is exactly how you log into your QuickBooks account. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.